I am super impressed right now. It's actually the middle of the night for me, but I needed to tell you about this right now because this is launching in a few hours and I am just ridiculously impressed. I am sitting here after having gone through the secret money system from my friend Michael Cheney, and it is absolute gold. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of the secret money system. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can porn successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. I know my jokes, they can be as stale as well. My jokes all the time pretty much are stale. They're dad jokes. I get it, and I'm not even a dad. I have 3 cats. That's about it. Go figure. But anyhow, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things: review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, it's getting annoying. All right, you keep talking about how you want all this crap, so keep it to yourself. Okay, these people don't want it. Yeah, if you are to wait these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. And I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. I really do love her. I keep her around even though she said the same thing every single time because she's such a sweetheart about it. But anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. So thank you, subscribe. Doesn't mean that you're on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. So we're looking right now at the sales page for the secret money system. Now, these are testimonials that you're seeing here from actual people who have followed the secret money system, not famous marketers. I haven't heard of any of these people before. They sat down and went through the entire course. You can see it's a range of different people. And this is what they've been able to earn in a short period of time using the secret money system. Now, I've gone through this whole thing. I actually sat down, I watched all the videos, and I even watched the upgrade videos for this course. Okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of everything here. But before I do need to tell you about my own custom bonuses, because I do have the best custom bonuses, and also have something that I haven't done in a long time. I'm going to do it for this one because I believe in it so much. So first of all, I have 20 different bonuses, full-fledged courses that you're getting access to when you pick up the secret money system from me. So you're going to get an entire library of courses from me. And you can see the list below. If you're on YouTube, just click the link and you'll be able to see the list on my own website. Everything that you're getting from me. These are exclusively for me. Other people do not have these things. But I want to tell you about something that's far more valuable than any course you're going to get. Okay, 2 things actually. First and foremost, I haven't done this in a long time, and I'm going to have to limit this to the first 30 people who pick this up because of the fact that I don't have a lot of time to spare. But here's the deal. Pick up the secret money system for me for $9.95. Okay, it's a one-time price, and it's a great deal. Now, pick it up for me. I'm going to give you 2 things on top of the 20 bonuses I'm giving you. Number 1, I'm going to give you a personal one-on-one coaching lesson. All right. You get to schedule a one-on-one coaching lesson with me, discuss your business. I can look over your website. I can help you with your sales pages, with your pitch, whatever you want help with. I'm there to help you. If you just need somebody to bounce ideas off of, to say, Eric, I'm not sure how to get started. What do I do? That's what I'm there for. Okay, I'm going to help you to get going and get started with the secret money system. Okay, I do want you to go through the course first before you contact me. All right, you have up to 2 months to contact me and arrange for your one-on-one coaching. Go through the course, and then ask me questions. It just works better when you do that, because the fact that this way you actually have something to talk about. I've done these before, and people get on with me, and they're like, I don't know what I'm supposed to ask. And it works best when you have questions that you need answers to, as opposed to somebody saying, tell me what to do. And I could tell you what to do, but here's the thing that, it might be something that's obvious to you, it might be something that's not obvious to you. I don't know. That's why I need you to tell me what you need help with. So you're going to get a coaching session with me one-on-one. This is an incredible value. I am a six-figure marketer. I have done, in my time, I think about $350,000 in sales online. Okay, so I've done serious numbers online. All right, I make my full-time living doing this. I don't do anything else. Don't have a part-time job. Don't have anything else. I have a couple of side gigs I do here and there, but this is basically my primary job. And I'm going to do this for you, where you are able to actually pick my brain and talk to me one-on-one, face-to-face, via Zoom. We're going to discuss your business and help you get started. Okay, this is something nobody else in their right mind is going to do, especially not for something that costs $9.95. And the only reason I'm doing it is because I really do believe in this thing, and I believe this can help you. But I want you to actually implement it. And that's why I'm saying, first, go through the course, then contact me. Now, I'm going to do something truly extraordinary, though. I believe in this thing. I know this works because I've done it myself. I know it works. So I'm going to give you a guarantee. All right. You get a one-on-one coaching session with me when you pick this up from me. And we're going to talk about the upgrades in a minute. But first of all, actually, let me talk about the upgrades. If you pick up any upgrade, you do get a second coaching session with me to go over everything. Pick up all of the upgrades of this program. Okay, it's not that many. I believe there's three, and you can see the prices right here. So it's 97, 67, and 97. Okay, you pick up every single upgrade, and I will actually put together a sales page for your first product. You do have to launch within 6 months of purchasing this. I'm not going to leave this open forever, but within 6 months, I will put together the sales page for you, the front page, the front sales page for you. You're going to present the product to me, and I'm going to put together the sales page for you. Pick up all the upgrades. That's what you're going to get from me. All right, pick up any upgrade, and you're going to get a second coaching session from me. Pick up all the upgrades. I'm actually going to write your sales page for you. All right, and I'm really, really good at writing sales pages, and not to my own horn. But I also want to tell you about something else. I want you to implement this program. I want you to finally succeed and make money. So within 60 days, I want you to implement this thing. And if you haven't made at least what you spent, then you are able to contact me, and I will personally coach you. I will drive traffic for you. I will do whatever it takes to get you to that point where you're going to make back what you spent. Okay, I will do all the work for you, but you do have to put in the effort yourself. This isn't where you're going to say, Eric, it didn't work for me. And I'm going to say, okay, so what did you do? And you're going to say, well, I looked at the course and I can't figure it out. No. You're going to go and actually go through, because I'm already giving you a coaching session. So if you have a question, you can ask me. All right. But if you went through the course, you went through my coaching session, and then you said, hey, you know what? I've put this in place. This is what I've tried. This is what I've done. It still hasn't worked for me. I'm personally going to make sure that it works for you. I'm going to be there one-on-one with you until you are making at least 10 times what you spent. Okay, that's my guarantee to you. You have 60 days to actually take advantage of this. So it's a 10x guarantee that I guarantee that I will work one-on-one with you to get you to the point where you've made 10 times what you spent on this course. But the only catch is you have to implement it. You can't just say, Eric, oh yeah, I tried, and I ask you what you did, and you say, well, I went out to Facebook and I found a couple of leads and nobody bought anything from me. No. I want you to put in real effort and make the effort yourself, because I know it works, but you got to put in the effort to make it work. Okay, so I'm going to show you the members area. As you can see here, I do have access to everything. All right. And right now we're looking right here at the front end stuff. Okay. So you can see here all of the basic materials that are included. It tells you exactly what's here. Okay. And by the way, yes, you can get everything you need completely for free. You do not have to spend a single penny to make this work. Okay. Spend the $9.95, follow what Michael tells you to do. You can make this work for free without spending anything. All you gotta do is put in the effort. All right. Pick up the Big Money Accelerator for $97. Okay, and again, you're going to get a second coaching session with me, of course, plus commissions. You also will get that. Any of these, you get a second coaching session. Pick up them all. You put together your product, and I will write the sales page for you. I will put it together step by step, including everything. I'll even make the logo for you. I will do all the work for you to put together a sales page for you to pick up the entire funnel. Okay. And you have 6 months to take advantage of that extra bonus. It'll all be in the bonus stuff. So let's see if I'm going to give you a tip as the product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, huge tip of my hat. This works, plain and simple. It works, but you got to put it into action. All right. And I'm going to give you all the tools you need to put into action because I'm going to give you all the courses. Below this video, you're going to see the list of all the courses you're getting from me. But on top of that, I am also going to give you a personal coaching session. Plus, I'm giving my personal guarantee 10x your money. And if you don't 10x your money, I will personally work with you and I will do whatever it takes to get you to the point where you 10x your money. It's that simple. Grab this one, you're going to love it.